Welcome to the short introduction demo of RamAI, your one-on-one AI tutor. You can access RamAI by visiting venusmoon.in/ramai-chat. Just click on Learn Now to begin. This is the new chat interface where you can start a new chat, delete it, as well as view your timestamps. Let's try it out. Okay, so here the response from RamAI has arrived and it is asking what I want to learn. So I will type a question in the box. Explain transformers in easy words right from the basics. And just like that, RamAI gives a friendly explanation just for you. So it is saying that transformers are like smart boards that help computers understand and generate language. So you can write a follow-up question as well. Yes, give me an example, and it will give you. So similarly, transformer pay attention to all words in a sentence at once, figuring out which words are most important. Similarly, you can ask, give me Python codes for transformer. Okay, so it is asking for your guidance. You can say yes. So the response has arrived from RamAI and it is asking you to install transformer by this command. You can follow the command and after completing the installation, you can ask for the next step. Okay, so here the response has arrived from RamAI and it is asking you to build a transformer by using text generation. Now let's move to chemistry. So you can write reaction between copper and hydrochloric acid. Okay, so this is some typo mistakes. It's saying copper and CCl4, no problem. Let's write it again. Cu plus HCl. Copper reacts with hydrochloric acid. So Rami will give you the balanced equation and explain it as well. Okay, so when copper reacts with hydrochloric acid, it produces copper chloride and hydrogen gas. So it is asking for your imagination as well. So this way you can learn at your own pace with RAM AI. You can also ask RAM AI to give short lessons, like say for AI. And when one lesson is over, then give me the another lesson. So RAM AI will respond with the very first lesson or lesson one, what is AI. So you can finish reading it and understanding it. If you have any questions or queries, you can ask there itself, or if you have already understood this lesson 1, you can simply write next to get the next lesson or lesson 2. Okay, so here is the lesson 2. So you can write and learn at your own pace with RAM AI. So whenever you are ready to reset, you can clear the chat from memory and start a brand new chat, or you can revisit past sessions saved by timestamp. Hope you liked RamAI. You can access it anytime at www.winnersmoon.in/ramai-chat. Happy learning.